morning to all. Myself Aman Sharma, Assistant Professor in Hotel Management Department at RPIIT Campus Karnal. Today's our topic is contract housekeeping. What is contract? Contract. A contract is an agreement between two parties negotiating business deal. It is called contract. Outsourcing. It is conscious between business decision to move internal work to an external provider. Hiring contract provider. These are the steps the management should follow once they have decided to outsource a particular service for the hotel. Steps for hiring contract. Put tender to at least 3 contracts and compare quotes. Check out their existing market by contacting previous and current clients. Check reference and visit other job sites. Check whether the contractor is registered and has licensed Contract Labour Act 1970 of the Government of India. Select a contract provider with a local office. Check training provided to worker. Check supervision of the work. Prepare detailed contract specification like exact number of working hours, area of operations and responsibility, process to be used, frequency of service, timetable and special projects. Contract service in housekeeping. Hotel may go in for the following type of outsourcing. For example, complete cleaning contracts and programmer, regular selecting cleaning, periodic service to assist housekeeping operations such as window cleaning, hiring contract with various rental firms, leasing contracts for equipment, furniture and furnishing the entire housekeeping operations of the property, consultancy services. The following are some area of housekeeping where service may be offered on contract basis. First is cleaning of public area, linen hire, equipment and furniture hire, laundry complete or part, flower arrangement and decoration, pest control, horticulture and landscaping, eco-friendly garbage disposal, other services like shoe polishing machine, guest amenities such as hangers, etc. Advantage of contract housekeeping is no capital outlet for equipments, no equipment laying idle, alleviate the necessity of buying or hiring specialized equipment, training and supervision of staff is passed on to the contractor. Good contract firms provide skilled labor. Contractors are accountable for the result. Disadvantages: weakness the quality and loyalty of the staff. Staff are not representative of the hotel. Loss of flexibility in effecting change. Uses cheaper product. Poor supervision. Problems regarding security. Lack of cooperation. May not meet the hotel standards. Housekeeping in other institutions are offices, residentials, home, art gallery, museum and library, hospitals and hostels.